Welcome to my channel, Chemistry Class. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Chemistry Class, my dear student. I hope you are doing well. So, my dear student, imagine it's a hot summer day. You take a glass of water and add sugar in it, and add sugar and it. You stir it and the sugar disappears. But wait, did it really disappear? No, it's still there, just mixed so well that you can't see it separately. The simple magic is called a solution. Today, my dear student, today we are going to learn about solution, eco solution, solute, and solvent. So let's get started. First one is, what is a solution? My dear student, a solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Homogeneous means it looks the same everywhere. You can't see separate parts. Example: sugar and water, salt and water, coloring and shape. This is a solution in which solute and solvent are present. And solution is formed by a combination of solute and solvent. And the second one is, what is an aqueous solution? My dear student, if water is used as a solvent, the solution is called an aqueous solution. Example: salt in water is equal to aqueous solution. Sugar in water is equal to aqueous solution. And daily life, all juices, tea, coffee, bloods, they are aqueous solution. This is a solute, which is salt, and this is solvent, which is water, which mix up and forms salt water, which is a aqueous solution. Now, the third one is, what is a solvent? My dear student, the substance present in larger amount, the one that dissolve the other substance. Example: in sugar, water, water is the solvent. And fourth one is, what is a solute? The substance present in smaller amount, the one that gets dissolved. Example: in sugar, water, sugar is solute. So, my dear student, think of it like tea. Hot water is solvent, sugar plus tea leaves as a solute. Together, a perfect solution, your cup of tea. Or simply, like a friendship, a good friend, solvent, support you, you solute, max n. Together you form a strong bond, just like a solution. So, my dear student, this is all about today's lecture and solution, equal solution, solvent, and solute. I hope your understanding of this lecture helped you. Then don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more chemistry lectures, and share it with your friends. Comment your question below. Take care and see you in the next class. Thank you for listening.